Team Better Naija don collabo with the campaign office of the All Progressives Congress APC senatorial candidate for Edo South Senatorial District, Valentine Asuen, to organize health improvement program for the people. This one said on Friday for Benin City. The team can do free eye check and general body checkup for the people. Them can still give out free glasses and drugs to over 500 people. For him talk with the people, the national coordinator of this Team Better Naija, Remy Omowaye, say this group na Ogbonge group when the mission na to create better Naija. He constantly talks to the group, they support the ambition of APC presidential candidate Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, sake of saying them get Ogbonge track record to take Naija to the next level.
Doctor go attend to now for free. Then glasses for people who need glasses. And I thought say this team is called Team Better Naija. We want Nigeria win better. We can't decide to look at all the presidential candidates when they contest. Say, as our situation be for Nigeria, who better pass out of all of them? We can't collaborate with the person when we feel say he better pass. He don't be governor for Lagos before. We know what he do as governor for Lagos. Now we can't look say, because we believe in this man. Now 3 leading candidates day, Atiku day, Tinubu day, P2B day. 3 of them don't work before. P2B don't be governor for Anambra. Tinubu don't be governor for Lagos. Atiku don't be vice president for 8 years. We can't look the 3 of them well. We discuss and say that Tinubu better pass. So this our team Better Naija, we dey promote Tinubu because he don't do well as governor of Lagos. And reason why we dey here today.
APC Edo South Senatorial candidate Valentine Asuen, we tender for the free medical checkup and TMC TV Tori people, say this now Ogbonge initiative, sake of say health now important matter.
First and foremost, I go thank Team Better Naija and the APC-led government for this initiative. Not be today they started to do, and this program done there for a long time. And they say it's made them bring and come Edo today. And they don't still assure us say it will spread around all the local government for Edo, not be just only the metropolitan for Edo. They will make sure say we go around the other 7 local government. And this initiative now to also help those our papa, our mama, will not fee take care of hospital bills. A lot of them get 1 or 2 helmets. Nobody will be say yours they free. But Team Better Naija don't come to come help them out from the sickness when they sick. Someday we get eye problem, someday we get medical problem. And looking at what they don't bring in place, they bring new glasses, free glasses come here today. They bring drugs, they bring testing materials, they bring injections, where we say they treat our papa, our mama, our children. So I want to thank them. This is a good and laudable initiative from Team Better Naija. This program not before now APC program. APC program, not the one. And more are yet to come.
For him plan for Edo South, Asuen talk say,
if I become senator by the grace of God, my loyalty now to Edo South people, to Nigerians, and not to political party again. Now we know it's not party that make us become who we be today. But if I don't become senator, I can't be loyal to Nigerians. Now waiting will benefit them, now what they do. People-oriented bill, we will say, before we pass this bill to law, I will make sure say our people look into them for town hall and everything. We talk together before we project such bill. This program will come here today. Now for Edo people, we not select and say PCO, PDPO, but the only thing we say, a good make we also talk the truth. Say that APC government now bring this initiative come, and they bring and for both APCO, PDPO, Labour Party, as I say you be Edo, as I say you be Nigeria, you are a beneficiary of this program.
On top healthcare matter, Asuen constitution plan with TMC TV Tori people.
Basic healthcare program, na priority for all the manifesto I don't put up. And this basic healthcare, we not a joke with them at all. Because without healthcare, man not go fit work more for us, woman not fit work for us, not fit feed, not go fit eat. Earth is wet, so we not a joke with them. And we gonna make sure say we promote all these health centers where we say we make sure say health centers for different locality they work well and they give the people what they deserve in their locality.
DG Etiosa Igebo come chook mouth about the group.
Anybody will know what they good for in people must always associate themselves with what they get to do with welfare. Why I really associate myself is that I'm not only the fact that I be pioneer member of this particular group, Team Better Naija, from I think we have been on for about 4 years now. I'm also somebody who understands that one of the areas of things where they miss with regards to our people in our area of welfare. Welfare, which involves the issue of security, good roads, bringing cost of living down, and people being able to afford, make them afford their medicine. So when I know say our thinking and our way of doing things goes along those lines of serving the people with regards to the issue of healthcare, I think it makes absolute sense. Say somebody like me, who be also a very strong member as the Director General of Team Better Naija, play that role to make sure say we promote such body and also identify with people who need to get the capacity or the proven track record to promote such things where ordinary Nigerians go to benefit.
Some of the beneficiaries, Konya and TMC TV Tori people say this free medical check sweet their belly wella.
Well, I'm grateful to the organizers. And when I heard it 2 days ago, I was very, very happy. Then I prepared for it. As early as 4:45, I left my house. I was here 5:15 or 5:30. I have been here since. And getting here, God will have it. Number one, they treated me, and they've given me a pair of glasses and asked me to wait for the specialist from UBTH. And that's what I'm doing now. So, in the name of Almighty God and our ancestors, I'm grateful to the organizer of Sabano Debaya
me for belle well. And may God help this our Papa Jagaban Bola Ahmed Tinubu, because me be not believe say today I go see glasses when go fit correct my eye easily like this. As I put her on now, I dey see the most tiny object for ground, not like before, because since if anything does small, I know they feel look, I know they feel read, I don't know wetin they talk. But today as I put her for my eye now, I dey see clearly, I dey read very well.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC na your power. Not say I'm giving politicians on election day.